Miss Yegoti Renuka. Children, in this video, I would like to explain about animal life. Unit 3, Animal Life. In that, the lesson 4, Animals and their food habits. What is that, children? Animals and their food habits. Children, did you remember that? In the previous video, we learned about plant life. Yes or no, children? Plant life. In the plant life, we learned about plants, different types of plants, and plants need what are the plants needs. These are all we learned in the previous video. Okay, children. In this video, we learned about animals and their food habits. Okay, there are various kinds of animals in this world. Yes or no, children? There are various kinds of animals in this world. Children, have you ever visited zoo? Anybody? How many members visited the zoo, children? Oh, very nice. Almost all are visited a zoo. There are many different kinds of animals in the zoo. Yes or no, children? Yes, there are many different kinds of animals in the zoo. And you know that animals are also living beings. What are living beings, children? Yes, things having life are called living beings. Animals also have life, like plants and human beings. So animals are also called living beings. They need food to grow and be healthy. Okay, children, like human beings, animals also need food to grow and be healthy. Different types of animals require different types of foods. Different types of animals need different types of food. If you take human beings, children, all human beings are eat the same food? No. Different people eat the different types of food. Like that, different types of animals eat the different types of food items. Okay? Their food items must be contain bodybuilders, energy givers and minerals. Okay? Bodybuilders, pulses, seeds, fishes and eggs. These food items contain bodybuilders. Okay? These food items contain bodybuilding proteins. Okay? And these are useful to bodybuilding. Next one, energy givers. Oils, seeds, starch and sugar. These food items contain energy. By eating these food items, we get the energy. Next one, minerals. Leafy vegetables and soluble salts in water gives us minerals. Okay, different types of animals eating different types of food items. Basing on the food items, the animals are divided into 3 types. Okay, children? Basing on the food items, animals are divided into 3 types. The first one is plant-eating animals, and the second one is flesh-eating animals. Next one is both plant and flesh-eating animals. What is the first one, children? Plant-eating animals. Second one, flesh-eating. Next one, both plant and flesh-eating. Okay, I explain about each of them in detail. First one is plant-eating animals. The animals that eat only plants. The first one is plant-eating animals. Okay, children. The second one is flesh-eating animals, and the third one is both plant and flesh-eating animals. Okay, let me learn about each of them in detail. Okay, children. What is the first one? Tell me. Yeah, plant-eating animals. Animals that eat grass and plants are called plant-eating animals. Animals that eat only plant products like grass, pulses and etc. Those are called plant-eating animals. And plant-eating animals are also called herbivores. Okay, children, plant-eating animals are also called herbivorous. Cow, buffalo, ox, goat, etc. are called the plant-eating animals. Once again I tell, the animals that eat only plant products are called plant-eating animals. Plant-eating animals are also called as herbivorous. Remember that point, children. Plant-eating animals are also called as herbivorous. animals that eat only flesh. Flesh means meat, mamsam. Okay. Animals that eat only flesh are called flesh-eating animals. Flesh-eating animals are also known as carnivorous. Flesh-eating animals are also known as carnivorous animals. Remember that point. Plant-eating animals are also known as herbivorous. Flesh-eating animals are also known as carnivorous. Okay. Examples of flesh-eating animals are tiger, lion and many more are the examples for flesh-eating animals. And next one, both plant and flesh-eating animals. The third one, both plant and flesh-eating animals. The animals that eat both plants and flesh. Those are called both plant and flesh-eating animals, and these are also known as omnivorous. What is that, children? Omnivorous animals are nothing but the animals that eat both plant products and flesh also. Those are called the omnivorous animals. Examples for omnivorous animals are deer, man, crow. These are all the examples for omnivorous animals. Did you understand, children? Once again I explain. Listen carefully. Plant-eating animals means only the animals eat only plant products, and they are also known as herbivorous. And flesh-eating animals. Flesh-eating animals means the animals eat only flesh. They are also known as carnivorous. Next one, both plant and flesh-eating animals means omnivorous. Omnivorous means they eat both plant products and flesh also. They are belongs to omnivorous. Did you understand clearly, children? Okay. The next one is about food chain. Have you ever listened about food chain? Food chain is nothing but some animals are eaten by the other animals. Other big animals. The big animals are eaten by the bigger animals. This system is called food chain. For example, you take the grass. Grass is eaten by rabbit, and rabbit is eaten by which one? Rabbit is eaten by a lion. This process is called the food chain. And I will give another example. If you take a insect. Insects are eaten by frog, and frog is eaten by snake. This process is called the food chain. Did you understand about food chain, children? Small animals are eaten by big animals, and big animals are eaten by bigger animals. This system is called a food chain. In that, I will give two examples. For example, you take a grass. Grass is eaten by rabbit, and rabbit is eaten by a lion. This is the one of the food chain. And another one, insects are eaten by frog, and frog is eaten by snake. This is the another example for food chain. Okay. Now I will show some animals, children. Did you observe the animal which belongs to either plant eating, flesh eating, or both plant and flesh eating? Okay. Are you ready? Wait, I will show. Once you observe, children, what is this? Cat. What is this, children? Cat. Cat belongs to which one? Herbivorous, omnivorous or carnivorous? Which one, children? Cat eats both plant products and flesh also. So cat belongs to a omnivorous. Cat belongs to a omnivorous. And once you observe this one, what is this? This is a tiger. Tiger is only flesh. So tiger belongs to the carnivorous. Tiger belongs to the carnivorous. And once you observe this one, horse. Horse eats only plant products. So horse belongs to the herbivorous. Okay, children, horse belongs to the herbivorous. This is the difference between herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. Okay, did you understand clearly? And next one, I will told you about a food chain. Already I told that about food chain. Okay, children, this is the one of the part in the lesson animals and their food habits. Once I revise what watching the video.